Smile is the greatest expression of our personality. It's an expression of joy, well-being, and happiness, and it can be considered a universal language. By using technology, the IMPLAR Dental Hospital offers you a new experience in dental treatments, safe, fast, and accurate. Our main objective is to promote improvement of quality of life through dental care and smile transformation. We truly believe that a smile is capable of changing lives. Prepare to receive customers from all over the world. IMPLAR provides dental treatments with hospital-level structure and security and offers a unique experience to its customers, prioritizing comfort during treatments, performed in a short time and without pain. Despite the challenge posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, IMPLAR continued to invest in technologies to guarantee the safety of our clients and maintain the efficiency of our treatments. In this context, the receiving of the ABA award and recognition confirm that we are working on the right path. Finally, we invite everyone to visit us in Brazil and try this new way of taking care of your smile.
Discover the future of dentistry.